Nowadays. I don't know. Like the way they always come here and start their war. If I don't prepare my sons here, I think one day, I think something will happen and I have nothing to say. I know what to do. I'll call them and tell them so that I'll go and bring someone who is very good. So that maybe the person can come and prepare them well. So anytime there is war, I'll always attack them everywhere and know what to do. Yeah, I think that is Abu Dirika! Abu Dirika!
Father,
Baby Jet!
father,
Baby Jet!
father.
Make it come out here!
Oh, that top of me say, oh my top, make a oh my top, my lover. See, all of the champion, all of them in the dance, put on a buckle up, them in the air. Whoa, bust it up, stick it up. Everybody knows how we call it shot, man, a big time baller.
Father. What is it?
Nowadays, other places where you go there, sometimes they always come and start war and fight all over everywhere.
Yeah.
And sometimes the way the Arabs do also attack, I say, no, let me call you guys so that maybe we will know what to do, so that I'll go and bring someone who's very good, charming, so that he will prepare you guys very well. So that anytime you guys attack, you know how to find way for yourself. You hear?
Yes.
The way I love you. So don't worry. We'll know what to do. So that maybe anytime if they attack you, you know how to display yourself. Yes. That is why I like you guys. So you don't worry. Maybe you go back inside so that I'll prepare and go and bring the man. If the man comes, I'll call you guys back. So that they will do everything. You get it?
Okay.
So if anything, I'll call you guys back. Abu Tirika!
Father.
No problem. If anything, I'll call you guys back. Make no worry.
Father.
For now, I have to just go and bring them.
Oh, no.
Bring them somewhere.
Hello.
Good morning. How are you? Today so
I saw you.
you saw me.
I saw you on your way coming.
Okay, I believe you.
I saw you.
That is why I come here. Yes.
You're coming for protection.
Man.
For yourself and your children.
How did he know? My brother.
The gods always tells me everything. So nothing is hidden to me.
I believe you.
Except you don't have it in mind of family.
That is it. I believe you. I trust you.
I have to look.
Okay.
Find a way. If there is a way, then I come.
Okay, no
If
problem.
there is no way, I'll let you go down with it. Well, lucky. We can go.
Trust you. That is good. So we can take our leave now.
Yes.
Okay.
I will.
Listen, I believe you.
Oh, no, 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 no.
Hey, come here. Go inside. What is his name? Baby James. Baby James. Get. Raise your hand. Up. 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 Come. Sit down here. Up here. Go to back. Back. Quick. Come here. Come inside. Fast. What is his name? Abu Trika. Yeah, Trika. Raise your hand. Raise it. Up. Up. Come on. Go here. Let's come. Fast. Move it up.
This man.
What's your name? Dignity. Dig. Raise your hand. Raise it. Up. Up.
God, have mercy.
Come on. Sit there. Now, you go. See here. This is the course water. That water inside the bottle in the body system. No cutlass or knife or gun. I believe you guys here. I tell you. Okay. So drink it.
I don't want peace. God, have mercy.
Now, I'm done. What you get? Next one, I give the you. Test the blessing. Atlas, eh? Atlas, two.
Oh, no, no, no. Hello. Wala ka, no?